Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Unity open and your scene loaded. Start by importing the sky textures or the built-in Skybox package if you haven't. Once imported, open the lighting window from Windows rendering lighting to access environment settings. Make sure your project uses the correct render pipeline, built-in or URP, because the material workflow differs. Now, create or locate a Skybox material in your assets. This is the first actionable asset you'll use to replace the current background. Create a new material and choose a Skybox shader that matches your render pipeline. Skybox/procedural for dynamic control or Skybox/6-sided for texture sets. Next, assign your textures to the corresponding faces or adjust procedural properties like tint, exposure, and sun size to match scene lighting. Once done, drag the Skybox material into Lighting Environment Skybox material to apply it. Make sure to switch to Scene View and rotate the preview camera to verify seams and orientation. Finish by updating lighting. Rebake or refresh real-time lighting so your scene reflects the new Skybox, because ambient and reflections change. For Universal Render Pipeline, confirm your renderer and volume settings permit Skybox and post-processing effects. If the sky stays black or invisible, inspect the camera's clear flags, set to Skybox, and verify HDR or exposure isn't clipping the sky. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily assign a simple procedural sky to isolate texture or shader issues before reverting to complex assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.